Okay, there's a new feature for photographers and for real estate agents that normally the top ranking is to have your Google My Business. And then you can pay for pay-per-click where you can get, you know, you pay per click, not necessarily the sale, right? Usually when people click here and then they reach you, they they're a customer. But on the pay per click, you can spend thousands of dollars, on ads. Well, there's something new that is in the market, and it's for a lot of different industries. But it's now you can get Google screened, so you can have this right up top. It beats um, the Google My Business and the pay per click because uh, you can pick the keywords and you'll show up. This just got launched in September, so there's not a lot of agents that have done it yet. And if you have enough reviews, hint hint, I've been telling you guys forever to get this, you'll be on top and ranking better. There's a couple other optimization functions that you have to know, and we'll help you with it. But basically, um, you can you can trump the Google My Business and the pay per click, and if you have all three, oh my goodness! And then you have a site, where you're ranking on the first page. You got four, Google My Business, pay per click, Google screened, and on the first page, it's just a phenomenal presence that should be giving you a lot of money, making you a lot of money. But here's the thing: this is not. It doesn't cost you anything to be displayed. So for those of you who have bought pay per click versus display ads, display ads show your face over and over and over and over, and that repetition all the thousands of impressions help your case when people are looking for someone like you and your services. So when they finally click on this, it still doesn't cost you anything. The only way it costs you is if you call the phone number or you fill out the form and ask. But basically, if let's say that someone were to contact you and they want a real estate agent from to help them buy a house on Mars. It doesn't relate to your area, or they contact you to ask you about house painting or ice cream, getting ice cream in the neighborhood. You take that and you send it to Google, and Google credits you whatever they're charging you for the lead. But what you're paying for, you're getting a ton of exposure for free, and when they do click on it, you still get it for free. You're still able to market yourself, and then and it shows your reviews. It's really a great presentation. But then when it gets to you paying only for people that want your service, which is unlike anything else. So this is what's up, and we've been recently selling this. So our price is $397 for onboarding. There's some things that you have to do direct with Google, but we walk you through it, and we do some things with the keywords and optimization so that you don't spend like you would if you didn't know. And we're there. It's a one-time fee, but we're there with you along the way. Don't have any reviews? Not a problem. We will give you our review system for the first 10 days so that you get a review, because it's required that you have one review at least, and then we'll help you get that one review, and then you can go from there. But this is this is the future. This is what people are going to be gunning for. And now, if you're a broker, what I'd recommend, and we'll cut you a deal on this, is getting, 3 to 6 to 9 people signed up. That your top 6 people that are loyal, going to be around forever, that can show up and do this. Then because this isn't, there's not a lot of agents. Like there's I've seen markets where there's like 3 or 6, and where if you've got your people in there in the mix, you're gonna get more chances that your team is gonna bring in more sales. And so this is what I recommend. I've throughout history, I've always been ahead of the game and telling people what's up, and so that's the one thing with Google Screen, and will help you. So that's it. Thanks.